Today we are going to see about AngularJS directives in ServiceNow. So actually we have many directives in AngularJS. So we will see some major directives, AngularJS directives which using in ServiceNow. Okay. So let's jump into the topic. In ServiceNow Service Portal, various AngularJS directives are used to enhance functionality and interactivity. These directives helps in rendering widgets, handling data binding, and interacting with ServiceNow platform. So below are some commonly used AngularJS directives in ServiceNow. So as I said, we have many directives in AngularJS. So we will see some directives. So which commonly or mainly used in ServiceNow Service Portal. Okay. So this is the agenda of this top video. So basically we have split it into four. So first one is ServiceNow specific directives, and second one is standard AngularJS directives which is used in Service Portal. Third one is ServiceNow API related directives, and final one is portal specific utility directives. So we will see some directives which are using in AngularJS directives which are using in ServiceNow service portal. So we have divided into four. Okay, so we will see one by one. So let's go to first one, which is ServiceNow specific directives. So these directives are provided by ServiceNow and are unique to Service Portal. Okay, so these directives is provided by ServiceNow and these are unique to Service Portal. So let's see the list among this. Okay, so first is widget. So this directives used to embed a widget inside another widget. For example, if you need to if you need to use any widget in any some other widgets, this widget directive is used. So next, SP widget. So here render says ServiceNow widget dynamically. So this is the functionality. And if you see SP widget body, so which renders the body of a widget inside the widget template. So this is the functionality. And if you go to the SP variable, it is used for handling ServiceNow catalog variables. And if you go for SP attachment directives, so SP attachment directives basically manages file attachments inside the widgets. Okay, so let's go for another one, which is SP model. So SP model works as an alternative to NG model for two-way data binding. For example, if you need to do some data binding, so in that case we will use NG model. So it is the SP model is alternative to NG model, yeah, for two-way data binding. Okay, so let's see the remaining one. So we can see SGNG repeat. So it works as an alternate to NG repeat with additional service node specific optimization. Like we have some directives like NG repeat. So we will see in upcoming time. So it's basically works alternative to NG repeat with some additional service now specific automations. So let's see SP frame. So actually SP frame is used to embed iframe securely inside the service portal. So we have next SPNG model, so which is similar to Angular's NG model, but it supports two-way binding with service now fields. So actually we said right like before above you can see SP model directive. So this is also which is very similar to NG model. So which uses for data binding in service portal. Okay. So if we have and we have SP form. SP form is used to render a form in service portal. Okay. And we have SP field which displays a specific form field with service now US tailing and functionality. Like if we need to display any specific field forms, so in that case we can use SP field So we have SP model, so which opens a model window with custom content. Okay, for example, we have any some custom content. You have designed something in your way, so that needs to be open means so this SP model directive is used there. And if you go to the SP list is used to display a list of record from specified table. Means for example, if you need to display a number of records from a table, for example incident, so we can use SP list in that case. So we have SP attachment button. So SP attachment button directive is used to enable file attachments within a widget. So these are the things which comes under ServiceNow specific directives. Okay, and let's jump into next one. So next we have standard AngularJS directives used in Service Portal. So these are native AngularJS directives that work within the ServiceNow service portal. Yeah, exactly. Oh, let's see some list. So which comes under this. So we have ng model. So as said before, ng model is used to two-way data binding. So another we have ng repeat. So ng repeat is used to loop the list or arrays. Like for example, if you need to um, if you need for that we use loops by using the list and arrays. And we have ng click. So here ng click is used to binds functions to click events. So for example, if you mention some ng click and function that if you click that, it will trick it will works by using the functions. So and if we have ng if, so it is conditionally render elements. As we know, we have if condition, right? So like that we have ng if means it will checks the condition. If it is true, if it is false, that like that. So we have ng class means which dynamically applies CSS classes, and we have ng disabled which enable or disable elements dynamically. And we have ng change. So ng change triggers action when input value changes. So for example, like when input values, some values has given, so in that time what values needs to get changed. So for that we have use ng change. And we have another one is ng show. Means for example, if you have some div content, HTML div content, in that you mentioned some para, some message sentence. So there you will mention ng show. Show means um, if the condition satisfies, if it is true, okay, then it will show that the content. If it is false, it won't show that. Like that, if we have ng hide, okay, which basically used for hides an element based on a condition. For example, if condition satisfies and it gives the output as S for ng hide, at that time the content which you defined in between the ng hide, that will get hides. If condition gets no, it gives output as no, then the ng hide will show, like the content will get show. So it's actually it actually works on based on the conditions. Okay, let's go next one. We have ServiceNow API related directives. So these directives interact with the ServiceNow's API for data retrieval and updates. Okay, so let's see some list. So we have SN record. So this SN record basically fetches records dynamically. Okay. So another we have SN record picker, which provides a record selection UI. Okay. It works based on selecting. Yeah. It fetches the records. It provides a record. And we have SN avatar means it displays user profile pictures by using these directives. So we have SN time ago, so which displays like for example 5 minutes ago, like that, for example like that. So um it will show previous time, like past time. So coming to SN model. So SN model is used for model dialogues in service portal. So next we have portal specific utility directives. So here we have three directives. We have mentioned three. So we have selected these three for portal specific utility directives. So for this we have SP search, so which enables search functionality, and SP translate. So for example, if a client or user wants to translate in some other language, for example, we have English, so they need some Chinese or Greek, Italy, like that. So in that case, we can use SP translate, and we have another SP include content means it will include the external HTML contents here. So this is the work for this directives. So finally, we can say these directives are used inside service portal widgets, which are built using a combination of AngularJS, HTML, CSS, and ServiceNow Glide APIs. So we discussed some topics before for videos, so you can refer that, and we will see some new things in upcoming video. Yeah.